Welcome to a comprehensive guide on optimizing your online security with SSH Max and HTTP Custom. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of setting up secure browsing to protect your digital presence. Let's dive into the details to fortify your online experience with enhanced encryption and privacy measures. Step 1. Launch your search engine. To begin, open your preferred search engine, such as Chrome or Bing, to initiate the journey towards secure browsing. Step 2. Visit the SSH Max website. Search for the SSH Max website and click on the link to access the platform, where you will embark on configuring secure browsing settings. Step 3. Explore the website menu. Upon reaching the homepage, navigate to the menu by tapping the three lines button to unveil a range of customization options. Step 4. Access the Services section. From the menu, select the Services option to delve deep into the offerings and specialized features provided by SSH Max. Step 5. Choose SSH UDP Custom Setting. Opt for the SSH UDP Custom setting to tailor your browsing experience with advanced encryption protocols for heightened security. Step 6. Select a server location. Personalize your browsing environment by choosing a server location that aligns with your digital requirements and preferences. Step 7. Verify server availability. Confirm the selected server's online status and availability of servers to ensure uninterrupted and secure browsing. Create a new server if needed for seamless connectivity. Step 8. Create your account. Enter your username and password, complete any verification steps, and click on Create Now to establish your secure account for browsing. Step 9. Copy account details. Secure your account information by copying the provided details for safekeeping and easy access during the setup process. Step 10. Install HTTP Custom App. Navigate to the Google Play Store and install the HTTP Custom App to further enhance your online security and encryption measures. Step 11. Configure HTTP Custom App. Open the app and configure the settings by enabling the UDP Custom box to activate advanced encryption protocols for secure browsing. Step 12. Input account details. Paste the copied account details into the designated fields within the app to establish a secure connection and encrypted browsing experience. Step 13. Initiate secure connection. Click on the Connect button within the app to set up a secure and encrypted browsing session, safeguarding your online activities. Congratulations on successfully setting up secure browsing with SSH Max and HTTP Custom. By following these steps, you have fortified your digital presence with advanced encryption and enhanced online security. Remember to engage with us through likes, subscriptions, comments, and joining our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for ongoing support and insights. Thank you for prioritizing your online security and privacy with us.